In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge and unmerge your cells in the Google Sheets mobile app, both in Androids and iOS devices. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you just want to merge or unmerge some cells, here's how you're going to do it. I have the Sheets app open on my Android phone right here. Any steps that I do would be basically the same if you were to do it on an iOS device. So let's get started. In this first example, I have a few cells right here with some values in it. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very simple. If I wanted to merge these cells, so I'm going to select that, tap on it, drag it down. There you go. We've selected C1 to C5. And if I want to quickly merge that, I'm going to go to the bottom where you will see the merge tool right away. So in any case, just a rare case that you don't see the merge tool at the bottom, you can go to Format right here at the top, swipe up and go to Format Cell, up again, and you will see your Merge Cells option at the bottom. So if you tap on that, here we have a warning message that will say merging cells will only preserve the top leftmost value. If you want to merge anyway, then you can just tap on OK. So if you're selecting a wide range of cells, not just from one column, the only value that will be preserved is the one at the top leftmost part. So if we tap on OK, that is what it's going to look like. Close that off. There you have it. So we can do that with the merge tool right here at the bottom, or go to Format to search for your merge tool if you don't see it at the bottom. So that's merging your cells. We have that value of 1 that has been preserved from C1 right there. Again, that's going to be the top leftmost part of your cells. Another example, I'm just going to undo that. There we go. Let's go to the left side right here. So I have these different colored cells, and I'm just going to quickly merge those as well. I'm going to merge that by again selecting those cells, then tap on the merge tool here at the bottom. There you have it. Whatever color was at the top dominated this merge cell. And if I try and unmerge it right now, unmerge, there you go. It didn't really bring back what the colors were before we merged it. Everything is still orange. But if we undo that, there we go. We have those colors back. So again, in the first example, we have the values of 1 to 5 for that one. 1 remained because it's at the top when we merged it. Now let's try and merge these cells right here. So including those colored cells right there on the left side. Let's go ahead and merge that. There we have it again. The warning message, merging cells will only preserve the top leftmost value. Merge anyway, tap on OK. So we still have number 1. Now, how did that happen? Well, basically because we don't have a value on cell A1. We only had a colored cell on A1. And even though it is a colored cell, it is technically an empty cell. So the only value that it has recognized is the value in C1. So let's say we are going to put in a value here at the top leftmost corner. Let's put in 100. There we go. Now let's try and merge it again. So we have 100 on the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the right side. Tap on merge at the bottom. And here's our warning message. Just tap on OK. And now we have the orange color preserved throughout those merge cells with a value of 100. So that's how merging your cells works here in Google Sheets. Now, if we try to unmerge this again, it doesn't retain all the values that you had before, especially with the colors. If you did apply some color to that cell, and all the values that you had on the previous cells will also disappear. And there you have it. That's how you can merge and unmerge your cells in the Google Sheets mobile app in both Android and iOS devices. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.